welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get unshadow banned on TikTok, or how to not be shadow banned on TikTok. And if you don't know what shadow ban means, it basically means where you post a video and it doesn't like get to the For You page and it doesn't attract new viewers, or sometimes it just like no one sees it, not your followers, not the For You page, no one. So I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of that. The first thing you want to do is you want to go onto your TikTok account. So here's mine. And the first tip I have for you is to post regularly. So say you have a routine of posting every 3 hours. Post every 3 hours, even if the first time you post, no one sees your videos for like 3 hours. Still post, because if you don't post, the TikTok bugs, like the algorithm or whatever, it's gonna think that no one is active on this account, so what's the point of even like helping? And no one will like help you, you know? And the second tip I have for you is to don't go on a break. So even if you think, oh, I'm working so hard on my videos, no one is seeing them. Don't go on a break. Post regularly. It's like the same thing as what I said in the first tip. But just don't go on a break. Don't think, oh my god, no one's seeing my videos. I spent like 3 hours on them. No one is seeing them. No. You have to be very consistent on your account. The third tip I have for you is to either restart your phone or to delete TikTok and download it again. This usually helps, like if you delete TikTok and you download it again, everything like restarts, you know? So maybe the chances are you're not going to be shadow banned anymore. And it really helps. Like I've done it a few times. It does help sometimes, but sometimes it doesn't work. But you never know. Like it might work. It's like a maybe thing. The third or fourth, I think, tip I have for you is to be patient. So you need to be patient with TikTok and yourself. Don't like make a new account and restart everything just because no one is seeing your videos. Trust me, like just a few hours or maybe even like minutes, someone will see your video. It's just like be patient. You're not in a hurry. Nothing's gonna happen. Like you post a video and you wake up, chances are you're not gonna be shadow banned anymore. And some of the most like popular reasons of being shadow banned on TikTok is either because your video has it's like violating the community guidelines, which for some reason like some of my videos some TikTok takes down my videos for minor safety, even though they're just like it's just like fan page. What am I doing? But TikTok just takes them down for some reason, and they also take down videos just because someone like reports them, which I don't understand why. Like why report my video? There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. So they take down your video and you get shadow banned. I don't know why. Don't know why shadow ban exists. I don't like it because I always get shadow banned, but it is what it is. And another tip I have for you is if you post a video, no one sees it, like it has like 0 views in like 15 minutes, and you at least get 3 views in 15 minutes. What you can do is you can delete the video, repost it, and if it still happens, you could do that like two to 3 times. And if it still doesn't work, you can delete TikTok and download it again. And if that doesn't work, just wait a day. In the morning, chances are when you wake up, your video is going to be like up. Everyone will be able to see it. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. A lot of you were requesting this video, so I hope now you're not going to be shadow banned on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!